Hello everyone, welcome all of you in my channel SNT Power Vision. In this video, I'll explain about top-end filter. So first question here is what is top-end filter, how it works, I will show you. Select this visual. Suppose no, I will not select all the states, just few states here. Yes, this is some of the states I have selected here. So select this visual, come here. This is cost amount. It have three filter: cost amount, cost type, state here. Select cost amount here. No, come to state. Here we have the basic filtering option. We can see list of all states here. If we click here, we can see advanced filtering, basic filtering, top N. So we'll select the top N filter. Now here we can see this top. So how many top states we want here? Suppose we want 5, 10, 20, whatever we want. Even if we want top, also from bottom. Suppose we want from bottom, we want like bottom 5 states only. Suppose ranking we 1 to 10. We want to what are the states in the 10th, 9th and 8th position. So we can select all those things here. So top and bottom and also. So here we'll select the top end. Now here from this visual we have some states. From this state we want only top 5 states. Now we want some data here, like on what data we wanted to select the states here. So just say the cost amount, or we can give the sales also. Okay, so what are the states having like from this given state based on the cost, whatever states having 5 cells. So top 5 states. Apply filter here. So we can see these are the 5 states. Now suppose we want 7 states. Apply filter. So we can see 7 states only. Suppose we Florida, we removed it. So let's see how it works. We remove the Florida, so we can see its affected. Now Florida state is not in the list. Suppose we would remove Arizona. So this thing getting updated here. So TopN is also having its interaction with the slicer, means filter at the visual level in the dashboard. Now let's see this visual as well. Just having all the states here. Basic, top N. Instead of top in, go to top N. Now this time we'll take the bottom. We want bottom 5 states having revenue. This time I'll move the revenue here. Now apply filter here. So state selected, it is showing the list, what to say, bottom 5 states here. Since here we have the 4 states, we'll do one thing. Select all the states here. Apply filter here. So what is the top means bottom 5 state, it is showing here. So like that we can do the filter for top and bottom end. So based on the number of states given, it will show here. Suppose we have 5 here, we want 10 here. Here it is showing the bottom 10 states here. Like that it works here. So this is all about the top end and bottom end filter.